Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find CapCut templates. So first you're gonna open up TikTok. Then you're gonna just use the search bar and you are going to search for CapCut. CapCut has a TikTok profile. You're gonna open that up and here you will be able to see a lot of editing tips and also templates. If you see a template which you would like to use, for example, then you just need to click on the template and you just click try it on CapCut. And it's gonna either you're gonna have to download CapCut, or if it's already downloaded, it's just gonna throw you into CapCut. So this is the first way you can find CapCut template. The second way is just type in CapCut templates to TikTok and click on users. Either you click on the top videos and you look through them whether you have a template you like, or you can also click on the users, and there are basically pages on TikTok which are only about CapCut templates. So as you can see, we have a trending CapCut templates here. I click on that and we can just look through the templates and just click try this template and use template in CapCut. And it's gonna just put me in the application and I'm gonna have to give access to albums for editing and saving videos, and I can try the template. Also, if you are just casually looking through your feed and you see something which has a pretty CapCut template, you can do the same thing. Alright, so all in all, this is how to find CapCut templates. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.